श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम ओम निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः. So what we saw is the Vrittitava. For Vrittitava, Sadhitava, Hetutavachedaka, Sambandhavachana. Till this we have seen this Lakshana. See, there is a Sadhya, there is then your Pratiyogit, which is Sambandha. Then you have Sadhana, which is Hetu. Here Vritti. For each of them, we have three stages, which is Sambandhavachana, Sadhitavachadaka, Sambandhavachana, Sadhitavachadaka, Itara Dharma Anavachana, then Sadhita Avachedaka Avachana. Sadhita Avachedaka here, because Avachedaka. Sadhita Avachedaka Sambandhavachana, Sadhita Avachedaka Itara Dharma Anavachana, Sadhita Avachedaka Avachana, Sadhya Bhavadhikaranam Yat. For that, Sadhita Avachedaka Sambandhavachana, Sadhita Avachedaka Itara Dharma Anavachana, Sadhita Avachedaka Avachana Pratitaka Sadhya Bhavadhikaranam Yat. Pratiyogita avachedaka sambandhavachana, pratiyogita avachedaka itara dharmanavachana, pratiyogita avachedaka avachana. For pratiyogita avachedaka itara dharma anavachana, we said pratiyogi anadhikaranam, pratiyogi vyadhikaranam. Pratiyogi vyadhikarana tannirupita. For vrittya bhava we gave hetuta avachedaka sambandhavachana vrittitva bhava. This is our Vyapti. This is our Vyapti now. But this Vyapti, there is a commonality. We have brought in Sambandha, but there is a commonality in the Sambandha. What is the commonality in the Sambandha? The commonality is that there is the common relationship of Sanyoga between Sadhyata Avachedaka and Hetuta Avachedaka. Both Sadhita Avachedaka and Hetuta Avachedaka. Sadhita Avachedaka, which is your fire, and Hetuta Avachedaka, which is your smoke, both are there in the same Sanyoga Sambandha. Therefore, to remove this, though we have Sambandha, we have given Sambandha, but Sanyoga Sambandha is common for both these. Therefore, to remove this error, we have to do something. We have to add one more Visheshana. So that is why we discussed this in the beginning of the class. Like Yatkinchit Yavat. We spoke about this Yatkinchit Yavat in the first class of Tarka Sangraha. Yatkinchit Yavat. Write it in the proper way. Yatkinchit Yavat. Yatkinchit means any. Yavat means all. Yatkinchit means any. Yavat means all. We discussed this with reference to Rama's story Yatkinchit vanam va yavat vanam va. Gautama Maharishi asked Shri Rama, what was the promise which you gave to your father? What was your father's promise? Meaning, what promise did he ask from you? He said 14 years in the forest. What kind of forest? Define this forest. Any forest or all forest? Any forest means this is your palace. In front of your palace, you plant 10 trees. That becomes a forest. So, if you want some animals, you bring in some peacock and deer and all that. You have a forest there. You don't have to come here. Go back. If you say yavat, you will never be able to do it in 14 janmas. Forget about 14 years. Yavat means all. All means, see, you are traveling from here to this place to this place. So what will be the path you take? Because it's all forest. You will be traveling from here to here. From here to here or from here to here. Some way you will be traveling. You will not be traveling like this. Or like this. Only if you travel like this, you will be able to go in each and every portion of the forest. If you don't go to each and every portion of the forest, then your promise is not taken care of. That is a false promise. So, both ways, the promise which your father asked for, Yatkinchit vanam or yavat vanam for 14 years is idiotic. So, go back, he says. The same kind of situation we have. Yatkinchit vrittitvam yavat vrittitvam va. With reference to vrittitva, there it was with reference to vanatva. Here he says with reference to vrittitva. Yatkinchit vrittitvam va yavat vrittitvam va. What is that you want? You are expecting here. Because, see, in the Asad Hetu Sthala, Parvato, what is the Asad Hetu? Parvato Dhumavan Vannehe. Sadhetu is a Parvato Vannivan Dhumat. Okay? In the Asad Hetu Sthala, Parvato Dhumavan Vannehe. Sadhya is a Dhuma. Sadhya bhava, dhuma bhava. Adhikarana. Adhikarana and Vedikarana we have to specify. Adhikarana is Vanni. Vedikarana is Jalahruda for that dhuma. And Jalahruda bhava, in Jalahruda, vritti is in meena etc., fish etc. Avritti, Vanni. There will be problem. Therefore, in Vanni also you will have a Sadhya, therefore there will be a problem. So yavat adhikarana vrittitva you have to specify, not yatkinchit adhikarana. So Vanni exists in vritti, therefore there is a error. Avritti we are not asking. Vritti it has to have. If it has vritti in Asad Hetu, then there is a problem. So, avritti nasti, then it is okay. There is a problem. No problem. Hetu, that is vyapti. So, we have vritti in Vanni. Therefore, in Ayoga Ityadi Sthala, therefore, we have to correct the error in the vyapti. We'll add vrittitva, vrittita avachedaka avachinna. That is why he says vrittita avachedaka avachinna. Vrittita avachedaka is vritti Tatva. Ghatavachedaka is Ghatatva. Patavachedaka is Patatva. Vrittitavachedaka is Vrittitatva. Vrittitatva avachinna. I can say Vrittitatva avachinna. Vrittita avachedaka is Vrittitatva avachinna. But since you are using avachedaka avachinna in other places also, you will just say avachedaka avachinna. Vrittita avachedaka avachinna. So vritti abhava, you have two adjectives. One is a hetutva avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Vrittita avachedaka avachinna. Okay. Now the definition will be sadhita avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Sadhita avachedaka itra dharma avachinna. Sadhita avachedaka avachinna prativitaka sadhya bhava adhikaranam. Yat pradita avachedaka avachinna. Prativita avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Pradita avachedaka vyadhikaranam. Tan nirupita. Hetuta avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Vrittita avachedaka avachinna. Vrittitva abhavaha is vyapti. Okay. Now we have sambandha avachinna and this avachedaka avachinna. We are taking care of avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Now we have itara dharma anavachinna. See, sadhita avachedaka for that and hetuta avachedaka for this, both we have the same thing. Sadhita avachedaka sambandha avachinna, hetuta avachedaka sambandha avachinna. Sadhita avachedaka itar dharma anavachinna, hetuta avachedaka itar dharma anavachinna. Sadhita avachedaka avachinna, hetuta avachedaka avachinna. Same. Everywhere is same. So we have to bring in itar dharma anavachinna. Itar dharma anavachinna we brought in with respect to the sadhya using a nyaya. What nyaya? What nyaya did we bring in for itar dharma anavachinna? Ekasatvepi dvayam nasti. When you ask, does both pot and fire exist? Even though pot exists or fire exists, one among these two exists, we will say no, they don't exist. Both don't exist. That is not a lie. Both don't exist. You cannot say fire exists, pot does not exist. That is not proper way of answering. You are asked, does both exist? You have to say both don't exist. So to avoid ghatatva, which is itara dharma of gata, we added itara dharma anavachinna. Ghatatva avachinna, where vanni ghata ubhaya abhave, where the place where vanni and ghata both are absent. In that place we will bring in this. So now with Vrittita avachedaka avachinna, we will have jalahrada vritti abhava and jalahrada vritti abhava in vanni. In ayogolaka vritti abhava does not exist, therefore there is no problem. Ekasaptepi dvayam nasti. With this we bring in parvato domavan, same place. Parvato domavan asadhetu. Parvato domavan vanne doma bhava. Sadhya is doma, sadhya bhava is doma bhava. Adhikarana and vedikarana is same. Adhikarana is parvata, vedikarana is ayogolaka. He will bring in change in. Adhikarana is parvata, vedikarana is ayogolaka. And vritti is vanni. Vanni exists. In both ayogolaka and parvata, vanni exists. But avritti is vanni gata ubhaya bhava. Vanni and gata both don't exist. Fire exists, but fire and pot both don't exist. Therefore, to rectify this, we add vrittita avachedaka itara dharma anavachinna to vrittitva abhavaha. So therefore, ayogolaka vanni exists, avritti nasti, because itara dharma anavachinna. We are talking about only the fire. Vrittitva avachinna is only vannitva avachinna. Therefore, itara dharma anavachinna, ghatatva anavachinna. Therefore, we have no trouble. Ghatatva anavachinna vannitva exists. Sadhyam, this lakshana gets fit. So that is why we say this is the final. We will add vrittitva avachinna for vrittitva abhavaha. We will add another adjective which is vrittitva అవచ్ఛేదక ఇతర ధర్మ అనవచ్ఛిన్న. వృత్తిత్వ అవచ్ఛేదక కేత్ర ధర్మ నవచ్ఛిన్న. वृत्तित्व अवच्छेद इतर धर्म अनवच्छिन्न और वृत्तिता अवच्छेद इतर धर्म अनवच्छिन्न. वृत्तिता अवच्छेद इतर धर्म अनवच्छिन्न. We'll add like this. Okay, so साधितावच्छेद संबंधावच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेद इतर धर्म अनवच्छिन्न साधितावच्छेद अवच्छिन्न प्रतीताक साध्यधिकरणं यत् प्रतीतावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न प्रतीतावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतीतावच्छेदक इतर धर्म. For that we'll say व्यधिकरणम अनधिकरणम तन्निरूपित हेतुतावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न हेतुतावच्छेदक इतर धर्मानावच्छिन्न हेतुतावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न और हेतुतावच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न वृत्तित्वावच्छेदक वृत्तितावच्छेदक इतर धर्मानावच्छिन्न वृत्तितावच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न वृत्तित्व अभावः is your vyapti. Some people, as I told you already, some people accept Vrittitva avachedaka itself is good enough. Vrittitva avachedaka avachinna or Hetutva avachedaka avachinna, Sadhita avachedaka avachinna is good enough. You don't need itara dharma anavachinna. Sadhita avachedaka is Vanni. Vanni itara dharma we don't need to bring in. Therefore, with respect to that definition, we have here पूर्वपक्षी व्याप्तिस्तु साध्याभावत अवृत्तित्वं दे साध्यावता अवच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न साधिता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताक इतर धर्म he is not taking. प्रतियोगिताक प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न वैयधिकरण्य अवच्छिन्न भाव तन्निरूपित हेतुता अवच्छेदक संबंधावच्छिन्न वृत्तिता अवच्छेदक अवच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिताक अभावः इति निष्कर्षः. This is the completely. Itara dharma anavachina we'll give up. Okay. So, tacha kevalanmayi vyaptimiti siddhanta anusaram. So, with respect to siddhanta, it is kevalanmayi vyaptam. We'll see if we have time, we'll see siddhanta panchalakshani, then siddhanta lakshani, there we'll understand this. This is the simple. See, I wanted to explain this so that we have an idea of the usage of Tarka Nyaya Bhasha, the language. So, Nyaya language. So, we went into this. Now, Vyapyasya Parvatadi Vrittitvam Paksha Dharmata. What is Paksha Dharmata? Vyapya. What is Vyapya? Vyapya is a smoke. Nyuna Desha Vrittitvam, that which has lower existence. So, which is a smoke. Smoke exists, fire exists, smoke need not exist. But smoke exists, definitely fire should exist for smoke to exist. Therefore, only fire has more existence, whereas smoke has lesser existence. It is dependent upon fire for its existence. Therefore, it has lesser existence. So, Vyapya is a lesser existence smoke that exists in Paksha. What is Paksha? Parvata. So, Vyapya Dhumasya Parvatadi Paksha Vrittitvam is Paksha Dharmata. Existence of the Vyapya in the Paksha is Paksha Dharmata. Okay? Now, Anumanam Dividam Swartham Parartham Cheti. Anumanam is of two types. Inference is of two types. One is Swartha and other is Swartha. Swartham, Swartha Swanviti Hetu. Swartham is a inference used for one's own self. Inference once used for one's own self means you go to the forest, you are standing in front of the mountain. There on top of the mountain you see the smoke and you have the knowledge. Yatra tatra taravanihi. Seeing this, you say, okay, this here we have fire. We don't use any Panchavaya Vakya. That is why Swartha Anumanam Nama Nyaya Aprayojya Anumanam means where the use of logic language is not done. We don't need any logic utilities. Meaning Paksha, what is Paksha, what is Sadhya, what is Hetu, all these kind of gibberish which in logic language is necessary is not used here. Pararthanumanam, Pararthanumanam, where you have all the 5 limbs for which are used for Anumana. They are used. That is a Pratignya, Hetu, Pratignya, Hetu, Udarana, Upanaya, Nigama, Panchavayavani. So this we'll see. Om Purnamadaः Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnavadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.